Hi everyone, we're going to do a Popplet tutorial today. So the first thing you need to do is sign up to Popplet. So obviously you go onto popplet.com, you click try it out, and then you need to click sign up, okay? So then I'll put in my details and I'll make an account. Okay, so I've put in information here, I click next, and now I'm in. Okay, so obviously, unless you want to pay for Popplet, we just click free plan, sign me up. Okay, and we're going to click make a new Popplet. So the Popplet you could name, whatever you want, but this is vocabulary from Unit 9, which is about the environment. So I would maybe put it the environment. Could pick a color. Maybe I will do green for the environment, and then I will click make it so. Okay, so now to start my Popplet, I'm going to double click to make a popple, and this is how I'm going to start my mind map. Okay, so the first thing I do is I click the make a title one, so I could make that maybe a bit bigger than the other ones. Okay, I could also make it bigger like that. And then I start with my vocabulary words. Now, there are different ways I could express the vocabulary words. For example, I could click here, and maybe one of the words is deforestation. No? Maybe I want to express deforestation through just the definition. Okay, so I could click here, and I could say deforestation, the definition. The cutting down of trees for production purposes. Now that's not the real definition of it, but I took a guess here. So I could use it, the writing tool, to make a definition. I can also change the color. I can make it nice and green because it's for the environment. Okay. Now let's imagine one of my other words. I go back to the original one. I click it. Is global warming. Okay. I drag it, and I can write global warming. And maybe I want to express the word global warming through a picture. Okay, so maybe I click here, and then I click this little image here, which lets me draw. So maybe I'm going to draw it green, no, maybe yellow, and draw a sun. Oh, beautiful, as you can see. I'm an artist for global warming. Okay. All right. I could also, if I wanted to, attach video. Okay, so for example, maybe one of my environmental vocabulary words is iceberg. Okay, and then I click here. I can click the V for Vimeo videos, and then I can look up iceberg. So look it up. And here I have some videos about icebergs. So maybe I could use one of them. Maybe our iceberg is melting. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click a new popple, and I will click and drag the video. All right, so now I have a video there. And the last option I have, I'm going to use it for deforestation. I could also add an image of the word. So so this one should be done here. Oops. Sorry guys. Okay, I can create a new popple here. So the last thing we're going to do, we're going to make a new part here of deforestation, and I can also upload a video. Obviously you need to go on Google and find a picture. So for example, here I've got a picture of deforestation. We upload it, and there you have it. You also have an image. Okay, so you can use various ways to explain each vocabulary word, whether you write the definition, whether you do an image, draw a picture, or even a video. Okay, so those are lots of different ways. When you're ready to share it with me to submit, you can click share. You're going to click the link. Okay. it's going to become a public Popplet, so I don't think that really matters because it's just vocabulary. And then you have the link there. Okay, so you copy it and then you can submit it after that. So hopefully that was a helpful tutorial for you, and I will see you later.